Let's say you have a list of 1,000 emails and you are selling a product for only $10 and your conversion rate is only 1%. You can simply make $100 in a couple of minutes by sending one email. Now, let's imagine you have 100,000 emails in your list. Your product's price is $50 or $100 and your conversion rate is around 2 to 3%. Imagine the number that you can make by sending one email marketing campaign. Today, in this course, I will show you step by step how to make money with emails. Think about it as the ultimate email marketing guide. Some people think email is dead today in 2022. Simple answer, it's the best marketing strategy to get more traffic, to grow your business, and to make more money online. Keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm Hasan from HEducate and you are watching part 10 in our awesome new series, Build an Online Business from Scratch with me and reach $2,000 per month. If you are following, you know we built our website and learned a lot of things, how to get traffic, how to write blog posts, and much more. Today you will see how we can utilize the power of email in growing our business, making money online, and getting more traffic to our website. So this is my website I built with you, embounds.com, about email marketing and validation. And I published till now 3 articles. I hope you are following with us because in like 6 months we will see our first revenue. And I'm trying my best to reach $2,000 before December 2022. So anyway, without wasting more time, what do we have for today? Step number 1, we need to understand the email marketing system, how it works. And of course, here we are talking about spamming. We are talking about real email marketing strategy, building real audience and building real business and making real money. The idea is simple. We have now a website, we are building our business. In line building our business and our website, we need to build our audience. And one of the best ways is to build email list, is to have a contact list, people where you can contact anytime to get more traffic, to get more sales, maybe to communicate, to ask them, to run surveys, anything. So what we are going to do now in this video, I will show you step by step how to build your email list, lead magnets, how to start everything. Let's give you the example, then we go and implement it. I will go here to my website, heducate.com, my current website. I will open a sample page to show you an example. So you can see here I am giving away some free ebooks. If someone clicks now on this download button, a pop-up form will open. It will tell you download this ebook. You need to enter your name and your email and click download. What happens here, I am collecting these email addresses and building my email list. So to make things simple, when you want to build an email list, you want to give something and in exchange you can get the email address of anyone. This something that you are giving is called a lead magnet, something that attracts people to subscribe to your email list. So what we are going to do, step 1 is build a lead magnet. You need to create something that you will give to people in exchange of their email addresses. You are going to do this right now in this video. The second step is we are building the email lists. Then step number 3 is simply sending campaigns. Let's see and do this step by step right now. The lead magnet can be anything. If you go back here to my channel, if you are following, maybe like 1 year or 16 months ago, I published this case study, lead generation tutorial, how I built 10,000 email lists in 1 month. 2 years ago, I showed that when I built this application, the super email sender, I used this application as a lead magnet. But a lead magnet can be simply anything. A free ebook, an application, a course, a video, anything valuable that you can give to people. So I believe the easiest lead magnet you can create is a free small ebook. How? Simply let's go here to canva.com. If you are following, you know I use Canva a lot. It's one of the best applications out there. Go here, create a design, and click on write book here, then click on book cover, and it will give you the size automatically of an ebook, and you can start creating a free ebook. Now here you have two options. To create a free ebook or a free lead magnet from scratch, you create your own, or you can go to PLR websites. If you go here and write PLR sites, and let's say PLR products, free PLR downloads, we have a lot of products. And by the way, you can see here my website is ranking here 18 best PLR websites. You can open this article to see the best 18 PLR sites you can get free stuff from. What is PLR sites? It's simply websites where you can get PLR products. What is PLR? It's simply products that you have the right to reuse. As an example, let's go here to this website, go here to free PLR ebooks, and you'll find a lot of things here. Let's say this one, Google Analytics 101. It's a free ebook. You can download totally for free and you have the right to use it. But as a small tip, whenever you download this ebook, don't just use as it is. Just do some changes. Import it into Canva or copy and paste it into Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, whatever you want, and do some changes to it. Anyway, in my case, what I did is I wrote a small article on my blog here, all posts, how to warm up SMTP server. Forget about the topic now, just focus on the idea. I will use this article to transform into a free ebook. I will click here on preview so I can copy the text easily. Okay, so let's start copying. Ctrl C, go here. I will add a page, then paste. Simple. Just resize it in this way. Say 24. So we have this, the first part. Let's say 32.
One eternity later.
You can also get the images if you want. Save image on my desktop. Go here, add a space, and we can go to the upload section, upload media, and upload the image. So this is the first page of the ebook, and you can simply add anything like text or whatever, like I will say here embounds.com. So this is the first page of the ebook. In the same way, you can copy the whole article, of course not my article, your article, or whatever lead magnet you are building, and create it with Canva. Now, to save some time, I will do some magic to finish the ebook on Canva. 1, 2, and 3. And now I have an ebook with 10 pages. Awesome. We still have the cover. Let's create a nice, attractive cover. What's nice about Canva, we have a lot of templates here you can select from. Let's see, what do we have? I will pick like this one. I will change the name. I will enter my name here. What's the title of the ebook? Okay. I will say here embounds.com. You can change this image if you want. Let's see, what do we have? Elements, email. Let's remove this. And here we are. I created a free ebook with Canva based on article. As I told you, if you don't have an article, if you want something for free and fast, you can go to PLR websites, download the free ebooks, and use and customize inside Canva. I think the idea is super simple. So now we have our lead magnet. Let's download it. Download PDF. And by the way, you don't need Canva to do this. You can do this with PowerPoint, with Microsoft Word, anything you want. I think Canva is somehow easy. This is why I use it. So now we have this PDF. This is the free ebook that we can use as a lead magnet. So we finished step 1. We have the lead magnet. Now we can give it to people to start building our email list. Let's see how. But wait a little bit. Before we go and start collecting emails, when we collect these emails, we want to save them somewhere. We want something to manage our email list. We need an email marketing service. If you are following me on my channel, before I explained GetResponse, I explained ConvertKit, I explained many services. And in the last week, I searched a lot to find something that you can start totally for free. And I found one. As I promised you, I try my best to find free services, free tools to start this business, because I know a lot of you can't invest too much money in this. So one of the best free email marketing services and building sales funnels is System.io. If you go here to pricing, you will see we have a free plan. Allows you up to 2,000 contacts. I think this is the only service that allows you to add 2,000 contacts totally for free. With unlimited emails you can send. You can build sales funnels, blogs, email campaigns, automation rules, everything in the free plan. So go now and start for free with system.io. I already signed up. If you didn't, just go and sign up. You'll find a link in the description if you want. And you can see I deleted everything in this dashboard because I want to start with you from scratch. So I have 0 contacts and I'm going to start today to build my email list with you in this new business. So this service will allow you to manage your contacts, to build sales funnel, to send email newsletters, campaigns, and much more. So usually when you want to collect and build email lists, we have mainly 2 methods. The first one is to build a funnel, a landing page that will be used to collect these emails, and we are going to do this right now. The second method is while someone is reading your articles on your website, as I showed you before, a pop-up will appear where people can enter their emails to follow you or to get a lead magnet and so on. We are going to implement these 2 methods right now. Let's start with the first one, which is building a dedicated landing page. Just go here to funnels in system.io and create a new sales funnel. In the target here, build an audience. We are here only to build an email list, building an audience. We are not going to sell anything. Let's say here, bounce, build audience. Create, and now it will create the funnel for you. You can see the squeeze page. The squeeze page is step 1 where people will enter their emails, and the thank you page, it will tell people thank you for subscribing or so on, or redirecting them to a certain page. Anyway, let's now do it. The squeeze page, we have a lot of templates here. So we are giving away an ebook. So we have here this landing page. Let's preview it. You can see we can add the ebook image here in the empty space, and this is the title, first name, email, and they can download the ebook here. So what we are going to do is to select this template, then we can edit this. Click on edit page. Now we will have the page editor. It's so simple, by the way. We have this sample image. We will change it to our ebook cover. I will go back here to canva.com to download the ebook page. I will go here, click on download, and here I will select PNG and select only page 1 and download. Now I will go back to the editor and I will simply upload my image, downloads. Here is the image, insert, and you can see this is the image. Let's change the background color to something brighter like this, and let's copy the title from here and paste it here. Enter your name to get this ebook for free. First name, download now. That's it. Save changes. Let's go back. And now we created the squeeze page. You see how it's simple? You can here add a URL if you want. And by the way, you can add your custom domain. If you go here to your account settings, you will see we have custom domains. We can add our custom domain here. Add domain. I will say funnel.embounce.com. I will use a subdomain. Save. Now you need to configure your DNS. I will go here to my domains, embounce, DNS settings. We want to validate the domain with system.io. So I'm going to copy this and go here, add a CNAME, points to this address, and I will copy funnel and paste it here and save. Again, add another CNAME, copy this, paste it here and copy this and paste here and save. And don't forget, I always remind you, if you have any questions, anything unclear, I will be almost every single day on Telegram and on the forum waiting for your questions. So go now and join us, hdk.com/forums, and on Telegram you'll find the link in the description below. So we added the CNAME records. Now you need to wait a little bit for the validation to finish. Anyway, let's go back and continue our work. So you can change your domain if you want, and this here I will say embounce funnel, save. So this is the squeeze page. Then we have the thank you page. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's see this one. You are all set. Thank you for signing up. And you can add a link maybe to your Facebook group as this template show, maybe to your YouTube channel, whatever you want. I don't want to waste a lot of time here. I think you got the idea. You can go and work around, create your own designs and implement it. Now the main idea is here in the squeeze page. In the automation rules, whenever someone signs up, you need to add it to your contact list and tag it. So here in the automation rules, go and add a rule. Click on funnel step form subscribed. Add an action. I will add a tag. What is a tag? It's simply something that describes the contact. You can see here, you can choose a tag. So let's create a tag. I will go to contacts here, then tags, add a new tag, and I will say lead magnet warm up as an example. So I can know this contact has subscribed using this lead magnet. Go back here and refresh this page, and I will go to automation rules, add action, add a tag. I will pick lead magnet. So when someone subscribes to this form, I will tag him. Then I need to send the lead magnet to this contact. You can do this in the thank you page. As an example, when you select this one, you can edit this and simply instead of join your Facebook group here, you can say download your ebook example, and this URL will be the URL to your ebook. So you can simply go here to Google Drive and let's upload our ebook. This is the ebook, the PDF. Okay, then share it. I will say change with anyone with the link, kind of view, copy link, then go here again to system.io and paste the URL. It is that simple. So now when someone opts, they will get the ebook and you will have the email in your email list. Let's test this. I will open this page and I will enter my name and my Gmail. Download now. We are all set. Download your ebook. You can see now I have the ebook. And if we go back here to system.io contact, you will see now that my email is recorded and this is the tag. You can see the tag. I am tagged with this tag. So it's that simple. Now we have the first funnel that we can use to collect emails. Now the main question is how we are going to promote this funnel. It's okay, but you can now have this address. It's totally free. You can use it, promote this ebook and start collecting emails. You can promote this inside your website or wherever you want to build your audience. Now the second method is to create a pop-up form. While someone is reading, it will pop up and you can collect the email. How to do this? Let's see. Go again to funnels here. I will create a new funnel. Create, build audience. You can now select the domain. You can see we verified the domain. I will select this domain. Pop up example. Create. Now here I will read the squeeze page, confirm, and I will create a new step. I will call it pop up, and in the type make sure to select pop up form. Save and drag this form before the thank you page, and you can see now we have a lot of templates also. I will select this one, select, again you can edit this, edit page, anything, get this free ebook. I don't want to repeat now again the idea, just edit this form, save changes, go back. Now what you are going to do is to go here to the script and copy this small script and go back to your blog. I will go here to post just to show you how to implement this. And let's say you want this pop-up to appear while someone reading this article. Click on edit and now go down here to the end of the article and I will add a new block. I will say HTML and then write and paste the script here. Update. Now let's view the post. Open. Look what will happen now. While someone is scrolling and reading this article, this pop-up will appear and users can opt in and get the free ebook with this pop-up and they can close it like this. So this is how you can implement both a squeeze page like this or a pop-up form with System.io totally for free and add it to your website. So in this way we finished step 2, which is the main step on how to build email lists. Step 3 is to start sending email marketing campaigns. You can go here to emails, newsletters or campaigns and start sending to your contact list. So let's now go somehow more in deep and talk about some more advanced tips that will help you when you are building your campaigns, your email lists and much more. So if you are following me, you know I use a service called ConvertKit. It's one of the best email marketing services. And also what's nice, ConvertKit has a free plan You can start with $0 up to 300 subscribers. So what's the idea? Let's go to my dashboard in ConvertKit. You can see my private email list is around 4,200 contacts. My average open rate is 45%. Average click rate is 12%. Not bad. Now I'm going to show you how to create a custom pop-up form to collect emails inside ConvertKit in case you want to go somehow advanced in your website. It's not obligatory, but I must explain this to give the best value out of this course. So I will go back here to my website I'm building with you in this series, embounds.com. I will go to plugins and I will add a new plugin. This time we have a paid plugin. It's optional, but I use this plugin and it's a fantastic one. This is why I'm sharing it with you. If you go back to my website, hdk.com, you can see it's called Master Pop-Ups. And what's nice about Master Pop-Ups, you can buy it from Code Canyon. It's only one-time payment. It's $39. If you can afford it, go and buy it. If not, it's okay. I already bought this. I will download this plugin to install in my website. Anyway, follow up with us. You will learn a lot of tips now that you may later implement in your website. So this is the zip file. Let's go back to my website and upload a plugin. Choose file, click here, install now. By the way, some of you asked me about this error SMTP mailer plugin. We will fix it in the upcoming video, so don't worry about it now. And don't forget, if you have any questions, anything you want, I am active almost every single day on Telegram and on the forum. Go now and join us. Let's chat and help each other. So plugin installed successfully. I will activate the plugin now. Very nice. Master pop-ups. Go here to general settings to enter the license. So it will show you this notification here. Click here. Go to plugin activation here. It says not activated. Enter your Envato username, which is your username on Code Canyon. And the purchase code, I will go here to my downloads. Go here, download the license file. Then I will copy my purchase code. Then go here, paste, validate purchase. Oops! It failed simply because I already used this license on my other websites. Anyway, it's okay. I will show you how to do this in my existing website in HEDK. The first thing you need to do is to connect Master Pop-Ups with your email marketing service. So if you go here to general settings again, you will see that we have a lot of services, up to 51 services. So whatever email marketing service you are using, you can connect with this awesome plugin. And you can see here, ConvertKit is already integrated. You can connect MailChimp, even Mailster, even MailWiz, Mautic. If you are following my email marketing videos, you know I talk about a lot of these services before. So just click on the service you want to integrate and then you need to copy and paste the API key. Now in ConvertKit, in your account, if you go here to settings, then advanced, you will see the API key here. Just copy it and paste inside this field here inside Master Pop-Ups and you are ready. So we connected Master Pop-Ups with our email marketing service. Now go here and click on new pop-up. I will not go in depth now in details. I want to give you an overview. If you want to use this service or this plugin, you can do it somehow easy. The first thing, you need to add a title, let's say pop sample. Then go here to pop-up templates and you will see a lot of templates that are ready for you. So just pick one. I will select this, import, accept. Let's go back to general. And you can see now, this is the pop-up form. You can edit the image, the name, the email, whatever you want. Then what you need to do is to go here to form submission. Then in the audience list, you just need to select the list inside ConvertKit that you created here inside Master Pop-Up. The idea is somehow simple. Maybe like 10 to 15 minutes playing with this plugin will allow you to create your first pop-up and test it. I don't want to waste a lot of time on this. As I mentioned, it's optional, it's somehow advanced and not required right now. And by the way, it has a content locker. If you're working with CPA marketing, you know I think what is a content locker. Let's now move on and see how we can send a campaign. Let's go back to ConvertKit to see this live now. We can click on send here, broadcast, to simply send a broadcast to all your contacts. Click on new broadcast. You need to enter a subject line. And what's nice about ConvertKit, it has a feature called the A/B split test. If you click on it, you can use 2 subject lines and send the campaign with 2 subject lines to see which one is performing better, so you can optimize your campaigns with the best subject lines later. So you simply here add content, and you can see the unsubscribe link and the profile update is automatically generated here. So now the big question you may ask, how to write a good email copy? Now to help you, I can go now in a full copywriting course. In this video, I will give you some templates. So if you go here to hudk.com/forums, you will see in the email marketing section something called email templates. I will be publishing with my team some email templates that are ready for you. Cold emails, templates for newsletters, and much more that you can just copy and paste, change some words, and send with your campaigns. Inside System.io, you can simply go here to emails, newsletters, and also run a broadcast. Let's log in again. Create a newsletter, set a subject line, you can use the visual editor or the classic editor, and simply create your message. Again, here's the body, you can add whatever you want. Now inside System.io, till now they don't have the A/B split test, but I contacted the founder of System.io and he told me that this feature will be available soon on their systems. So if you are using System.io, don't worry also, they will add this feature soon. Now, one of the main problems that everyone working in email marketing faces is the inbox problem. When you send a campaign, you will see a very low open rate or very low click rate, which means your emails are not landing in the inbox. This is why I published the full ultimate guide to reach the inbox. I will keep the link in the description below. You can check this full guide, step by step, explaining in detail what helps you to reach the inbox. And now I'm telling you, if you are facing this problem, please go to the forum, submit your questions in the email marketing section here, show you the template, your subject lines, what happening exactly, your rates, everything. I will help you. Just post the questions, engage with us, and I will do my best to answer your questions. What you are required to do is to sign up to an email marketing service like System.io, ConvertKit, whatever you want. I prefer as a beginner, you can go with System.io, it's free. All the core features are available here. So go and sign up, start setting up your pop-ups, set up your landing pages, your lead magnet. Just be ready to collect emails and build your email list in your website. Later on, when we monetize the website, we will see together in live case studies how email will help us boost our income and allow us to get more traffic to our website. To sum up things, the first step is to create a lead magnet, build your email list, prepare your email templates, set up everything, be ready to send your email marketing campaign. And again, I always remind you, I am here to help you. This online business series requires some cooperation, so please go and join us on Telegram, on the forum, ask questions. I'm here to help you. And if you can help also others, join the forum, engage with us, help people. So in this way we can all help each other. I hope you enjoyed this mini course about email marketing. Later on we will go more in depth when we have some products, when we have some services to sell. You will see the power of email marketing in your online business. See you later.